Hi guys, it's Matthew here from the Skibbereen Food Company, and I'm very proud today to introduce to you my new pork snack range. And here they are. It's pork crunch, okay? It's different from the Scratch My Pork range, and it's light, crispy puffs of back pork rind that have been double cooked, that puffs up like a prawn cracker, but they're better for us because there's no oils added into the cooking process, okay? So listen, give them a go. They'll be out nationally in the next week or two in the Irish and UK markets. And listen, if they're coming online very shortly, so please go to www.skibbereenfoodco.com and pick up these great snacks. And of course, we've also got the 4 ranges of Scratch My Pork as well. Okay, so thank you very much. We'll see you soon and have a great week. Cheers guys, bye.